Cook the perfect spaghetti meal. Certainly, I can help you with that. Here's a recipe for a classic spaghetti meal. Ingredients: 1 pound spaghetti, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt and black pepper, to taste, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, grated Parmesan cheese, for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat an enormous pot of salted water to the point of boiling. 1. Add the spaghetti and cook until still somewhat firm, adhering to the guidelines on the bundle. 1. Channel the pasta and put it away. 2. Add the onion and garlic and cook until softened, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes. 3. Add the crushed tomatoes, sugar, salt, and pepper to the saucepan and bring to a simmer. 3. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Add the cooked spaghetti to the saucepan and toss well with the tomato sauce. 4. Add the chopped basil and toss again. 5. Serve hot with grated Parmesan cheese on top. 6. And there you have it, a classic spaghetti meal that is easy to make and delicious to eat. 6. Buon appetito! Tips and tricks for making perfectly cooked spaghetti. Here are some tips and tricks for making perfectly cooked spaghetti. Use a large pot. Make sure to use a large pot with plenty of room for the spaghetti to move around. This will prevent it from sticking together and ensure even cooking. Salt the water. Adding salt to the boiling water will enhance the flavor of the spaghetti. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt per gallon of water. Don't add oil to the water. Contrary to popular belief, adding oil to the boiling water won't prevent the spaghetti from sticking together. It will only make it more difficult for the sauce to adhere to the pasta. Stir occasionally. Stirring the spaghetti occasionally will prevent it from sticking together and ensure even cooking. Cook until al dente. Cook the spaghetti until it is al dente, which means it is cooked through but still firm to the bite. Check the package instructions for cooking times, but generally, spaghetti takes around 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Reserve some pasta water. Before draining the spaghetti, reserve about a cup of pasta water. This starchy water can be used to thin out the sauce or add flavor to it. Toss with the sauce. After draining the spaghetti, don't rinse it with cold water. Instead, immediately toss it with the sauce to ensure that it is evenly coated. Add cheese and herbs. For added flavor, top the spaghetti with grated Parmesan cheese and chopped fresh herbs, such as basil or parsley. By following these tips, you'll be able to make perfectly cooked spaghetti every time.